How to get live access on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get live access on TikTok. So without further ado, let's get started. Make sure that your TikTok application is updated. If it's not, update on the App Store. Now open the TikTok application which I have already opened right here. Now go to your profile and click on the three dash line shown on the upper right corner. Once you are there, simply tap on Settings and Privacy. Now simply scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Now scroll down and simply tap on Live. Tap on Hosting Live. Here you can either choose Live is suspended or how to start a live. Now here I'm going to select how to start a live. And TikTok will give you a guide to start a live. But if this doesn't help the problem, you can simply tap on no. Now tap need more help and you will be prompted to a page where you can report your problem to the TikTok. Now simply write your feedback once you are done and tap on send and wait for the reply, and that's how you can get the live access on TikTok. That's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.